Hello, welcome back again to my channel. It's your friend Robert. I'm super excited to bring you one of the best videos ever. Today I'm out here at Overdose Chicken. I'll be trying some of the best chicken in Columbus right now. Like, as we're speaking, this spring, this summer, well, this whole year. Hey, let's go inside and check out Overdose Chicken. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think of today's video. Do you have a chicken on chicken bun right there, and a little bit of cheese coleslaw in there. Hot, juicy, and tender. It's spicy. I love the crunchiness of the coleslaw. White, juicy chicken. Oh my goodness gracious. This is a very genius creation. Never seen before. Chicken sandwich. You're gonna be licking them left and right. Look, these French fries. Cheers, and this cocoa sauce. Mimic the Raisin Cane's. Cheers. Did add a little bit of ketchup in there. Oh my goodness. Shift gears a little bit and try this brioche bun sandwich. Cheers. This is one of the most juiciest sandwich I've ever tried. The creaminess of the coleslaw, the spiciness of the chicken patty. I came up with a very good idea right now. Just gonna grab a pickle, French fries, add a little bit of the local sauce, which is a garlic sauce, add a little bit of this chaos sauce, put them all together right there, grab a little bit of coleslaw right there, and more pickle. And of course, this is more of my own creation. Cheers. God. I'm telling you, this food and this place is calling your name. Sandwich, absolutely amazing. If I have to rate it, 10 over 10. Watch out, Raisin Cane's. Watch out, Chick-fil-A. There's a new kid in town. This is excellent. I love the fact that the French fries, they do have this chili powder. I love the simplicity of the bun. It's a brioche bun, but of course, the additions of the coleslaw and the sauces and stuff, it really takes it to the next level. The chicken on chicken sandwich right here, well seasoned and hot sauce. Oh my goodness, it's calling your name. I'll leave the address in the description box if you happen to be around the Columbus area. To be precise, on West Broad, you can check them out. Their prices are very affordable. It's like $10 each. Portions are huge. Stop by and let them know I sent you. There you go. I hope you like and enjoy the video. Until next time, eat more Overdose Chicken. See you in the next one. Cheers.